Hello everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today's video is about Oreo ice cream and it's made out of only 3 ingredients. So let's get started. Take a chilled bowl and to that add 400 grams of heavy whipping cream. Make sure that your whipping cream is cold. We will now start whipping the cream with the help of a hand blender. This can take approximately 4 to 5 minutes. The cream is now completely whipped. To test it, when you lift the blender, you will notice this semi-stiff peaks. So this is the required consistency. To this add 200 grams of condensed milk. So guys, I have taken a Milkmaid tin of 400 grams and added half of it. Now you'll have to mix the condensed milk with the whipping cream. You can follow a normal cut and fold method in order to mix it well. You may also increase the quantity of condensed milk depending upon the liking of your sweetness. Since non-dairy whipping cream is already a bit sweetened, this much quantity is fine. The condensed milk is now completely mixed with the whipping cream. The base of your ice cream is ready. And now we will add the Oreos. I have taken a 120 gram of Oreo packet and I am crushing it with my hands. I'll be adding total 1.5 packet of this to the whipping cream. Mix everything together. I am now transferring the ice cream base into a bread loaf tin. You can use any tin that you want. You can also use the airtight containers that you easily find it at your home. I am now adding few crushed Oreos on top as well. Now this is completely optional. If you want, you can add or you can skip it. Now dab your added crushed Oreos with the help of a spatula and smooth your ice cream a little bit from the top. I'm now taking a clean wrap so that my cake tin is completely airtight from all the sides. Seal it with your fingers. You can press your clean wrap onto the ice cream so that it touches it. Keep the ice cream in the freezer till it is completely set, preferably overnight. So guys, I set my ice cream overnight and it is now completely done. You can check that it is hard from the top. Now remove the clean wrap and let your ice cream rest like this for 2 minutes at room temperature. Now I'll take a scoop and show you how the ice cream looks. So guys, look at the texture of the ice cream. It looks so creamy. I'll take out another scoop. Can you believe that it's made only out of 3 ingredients? Top your ice cream with some Oreos. The ice cream has turned out so creamy and it just melts in the mouth. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Enjoy!